Good morning students, welcome back to Shada Math channel. Now in this video I am posting the maths objective problem which is useful for both JEE mains and Eamcet problem. Okay, let us start the class. The question is, if root 2 sin alpha by root 1 plus cos alpha is equal to 1 by 7 and square root of 1 minus cos 2 beta by 2 is equal to 1 by root 10, then what is the value of the tan of alpha plus 2 beta? Okay, so these two values are given. You have to find the tan of alpha plus 2 beta. Here given condition is alpha comma beta belongs to 0 to pi by 2 means these two are in the first quadrant. Okay, so this is, once observe here, this is in the form of the tan of a plus b, and the value in the formula for tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b, means here you have to find the values of the tan alpha and tan 2 beta. If you find these two values and replace the two values in this formula, then you will get the answer, that is the processor. Okay, so first take the first given value, this one. Okay, root 2 sin alpha by root 1 plus cos alpha is cos 2 alpha is equal to 1 by 7. So root 2 sin alpha by root 1 plus cos 2 alpha. What is 1 plus cos 2 alpha formula? 1 plus cos 2 alpha is equal to 2 cos square alpha. 2 cos square alpha. So replace that value. Okay. Now this is equals to root 1 plus root sin alpha by root 2 cos square alpha. And that is equal to, here root 2 and root 2 gets cancelled. Root cos square is equal to cos alpha, that is sin by cos is equal to tan. Tan alpha is equal to 1 by 7. This is the first value. Now take the second value, that is square root of 1 minus cos 2 beta by 2 is equal to 1 by root 10. And what is 1 minus cos 2 beta formula? 1 minus cos 2 beta is equal to 2 sin square beta. Okay, 1 minus cos 2 beta is equal to 2 sin square beta. Replace the value, that is root 2 sin square beta by 2 is equal to 1 by root 10. Now cut the 2 into here, and root sin square beta is equal to sin beta. That is sin beta is equal to 1 by root 10. From this I am taking the tan beta value. What is tan beta? Write the right angle triangle here. This is the beta. Sin beta is equal to 1 by root 10 means this is opposite by hypotenuse. Now find the adjacent value. What is adjacent formula? Square root of hypotenuse square 10 minus side square 1. Root 10 minus 1 is equal to root 9, and that is equal to 3. Okay, so here the value of the adjacent side is equals to 3. Therefore from this take the value of the tan beta. Okay, what is tan beta? Opposite by hypotenuse, that is equal to 1 by root 10. So these are the values of the tan beta and tan alpha. But what you want? Tan 2 beta. First you want the value of the tan 2 beta. Now write the tan 2 beta formula first here. What is tan 2 beta formula? 2 tan beta by 1 minus tan square beta, and replace the tan beta value here. Then after taking the simplification you get the value tan 2 beta is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, so this is the 3 by 4. Now here, now take the tan of alpha plus 2 beta. What is the value you want here? You want the value tan of 2 beta. Okay, means take the tan of 2 beta. And what is tan of 2 beta formula? Tan of 2 beta is equal to tan alpha plus tan 2 beta by 1 minus tan alpha into tan 2 beta. Okay, tan of a plus b formula. Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan alpha plus tan 2 beta by 1 minus tan 2 alpha tan beta. Now replace the tan alpha tan 2 beta values. Tan alpha is equal to 1 by 7. Tan 2 beta is equal to 3 by 4. Replace the values and do the LCM. Replace the values and do the LCM. After taking the simplification you will get the answer is equal to 1. That's all. This is the answer. Understand all of you? Very easy question. First you have to find the values of the tan alpha and tan 2 beta and replace the two values in this formula. Okay, like that. So this is the previous JEE mains question. Very important problem. Okay. See the next problem. The question is, what is the value of the 2 sine 12 minus sine 72? Okay, this is the question. So very easy question. This also in the first write this 2 sine 12 as sine 12 plus sine 12. Okay, in the first step write the 2 sine 12 as sine 12 plus sine 12, and to the second and third values apply the sin c minus sin d formula. What is sin c minus sin d? In the second and third terms apply the sin c minus sin d formula. What is sin c minus sin d? 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Okay. 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. C plus d. What is c here? C is equal to 12 and d is equal to 72. Okay. C plus d. 12 plus 72. 84 by 2. C minus d. 12 minus 72 minus 60 by 2. So this becomes 2 cos 42. This becomes sin 30. Okay. Now here in the next step, replace the sin 30 value. This is 1 by 2. 2 and 1 by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Remaining is only cos 42. And to apply the formula sin c minus sin d, convert this cos 42 as the sin 48. Understand? That is here. First I am taking this 42 as 90 minus 48. Okay. 42 is equal to 90 minus 48. Now this is in the form of the cos 90 minus theta, that is equal to sin theta. So this becomes sin 48. Now see here, these two are in the form of the sin c minus sin d. And what is sin c minus sin d formula? 2 cos c plus d by 2 c minus d by 2. The same formula here we applied in the before step. Okay. 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. What are c comma d values here? C is equal to 12 and D is equal to 48. Okay. Now replace the values. That is equals to 12 plus 48. 60 by 2. 12 minus 48 minus 36 by 2. This is cos 30. Cos 30 value root 3 by 2. This is sin of minus 18. Minus sin 18. That is minus sin 18 value root 5 minus 1 by 4. Okay. Now here, so the answer is equals to root 3 into minus of root 5 minus 1 is equal to 1 minus root 5. Root 3 into minus of root minus 5 is equal to 1 minus root 5 by 4. That's all. This is the answer. Okay. The answer is equals to root 3 into 1 minus root 5 by 4. So very easy question. By applying the formula sin c minus sin d twice in this question, directly will get the answer. This is also the JEE Maths previous problem. Okay, understand all of